Welcome to Defi Crypto today. Our topic today is Valkyrie Protocol on the Terra ecosystem. I was expecting something a bit like this on the protocol, but unfortunately, no women on horseback flying about. Instead, we got this interesting red fire that turns green, whatever. Anyway, so this is brand new. It opened up a couple of days ago, and obviously the new feature is a reward system. Okay, they explain in detail what it is. So basically, they say, built on Terra, Valkyrie stores all data regarding social referrals on-chain, transparency, and immutability. The continuity of referrals and the corresponding data are not compromised, leading to the most accurate information for affiliate marketing campaigns and restoring efficacy and trust in the system. So basically, if you want to create a project and you want to have an affiliate marketing campaign, those guys have an on-chain system for it, okay? And they claim it's going to be more accurate, and you're not going to have people fake their affiliate referrals and things like that. So there's a lot of documentation about this on the project. So if that's something you're interested in, please check the documentation. They also have a white paper explaining this in greater detail. But I'm just a plain old farmer. I just want some yields. So where am I going to get the yields? Well, we can stake, for instance. Okay. I'll show you the current rates in a minute. So in the documentation, they explain the liquidity staking, which is pretty basic. I'm also very much interested in audits, as you well know. And guess what? They do have an audit. I'm so proud of them. The audit was done by Halborn, and it's recent. It was done in September. But according to their Medium page, actually, their audit ended on October 13th. So it's very recent. The results of the audit are not yet public. I want to see that audit. I want to see if there are vulnerabilities. Okay? That's the kind of stuff I want to know. Okay? They claim they're safe and blah, 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 but I want to see the darn audit. Okay? I want to see what Halborn has to say about it. Okay? So hopefully they're going to publish this soon. They say it's coming shortly. And if there's something horrific in it, you betcha I'm going to make another video. So anyway, so for now, let's just pretend that the audit is perfect and that everything's good. And let's see how this works. Okay, so basically you get some Vickers, VKR, that's the Valkyrie token. And it's standing right now at 2.809 UST per token. So about $2.81. Right now it's going up, but I don't know for how long. Because well, essentially it's a farm token. So, you know, it depends if they make a lot of money with their campaigns. Right now there are no active campaign. There was a short-lived, I guess it was probably the launch event campaign, okay, that they had for launching the protocol. So it was short-lived. It lasted a few days only. But if their projects are successful, they could have a lot of campaigns here. Okay, this is brand new, and I don't think a lot of people know about it yet. So anyway, so let's forget about the campaigns for now. Well, actually, one thing that could be interesting is that people can participate in campaigns and earn rewards through that. So that's another way for people to make money out of this protocol. But let's go back to farming. So as I said, this is on the Terra protocol, so you need to have a Terra station wallet or the Terra station extension, okay, for the web browser. And you need to buy yourself some Vickers. So let's see if we can do that. I haven't tried it yet, so let's experiment and see if it breaks or if it works. So yeah, 35. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so let's buy and see what happens. Okay, so we confirm, waiting to receive some Vickers. Okay, how long is this going to take? Oh, it's done already. Wow, not too bad. All right, so now that we've got some Vickers, let's go and see if we can stake them. Okay, so these are APRs, not APYs. So these are really juicy. Okay, you're getting a lot of money here per day. Let's say you were to put, let's say you have a bigger portfolio, and you want to put $10,000 in this one, you'd get about $300 a day. Okay, because it's an APR. Okay, you get about 3% per day at the moment. This is not going to last forever, folks. Okay. Okay. You know, most people grab the rewards at the beginning, and then after a month or two, it's down to about 10%. But anyway, at the moment, these are really, really juicy. So right now, what's the main difference? Here, you stake your VKR, your Vickers, I like to call them Vickers, tokens. And so the rate is smaller, but you don't have any impermanent loss risk. Okay? If the price of this thing drops against the UST, because this is Vicker and UST, liquidity pair. Here you can have a lot of impermanent loss, and that's why they give you a higher APR, because the risk is much higher. Okay, so if this thing crashes, you would lose value on your UST side. Okay, a lot. Okay, so anyway, the idea is you figure which one gives you the best reward versus risk ratio. Okay, personally, I don't want to make things too complicated for myself right now, so for now maybe I'll just put stake my Vickers. Maybe later I'll want to take advantage of this. I'm not decided yet, so let's start with this one. I just want to make something easy for demonstrations. So right now there's 8,300,000 Vickers in there that already staked. Okay. And right now I have stakeable 35.44 Vickers, and none of them, mine are staked right now. So let's see, we stake them, and let's see what happens. Post little vertex here. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I've got 35 Vickers staked. Okay, and the rewards are automatically restaked. So my stake I get a bigger stake later on. Maybe I can buy beef later with this. Anyway, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to stake Vickers. If you wanted to stake these here, well, and there's already 11 million LP tokens staked in there. I'm not sure exactly how much they're worth. They don't say here, but you know, probably a fair amount. I would say at least $10 million worth. Okay, so what you need is Vickers tokens plus UST tokens, and you have to, the value has to be the same. So it's 50-50. Okay, so if you put $100 here, that would translate to what I bought, about 35 Vickers. Okay, and that would create the liquidity pair, and you would then provide it. And it's staked, and you earn about 3% per day, which is pretty decent. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Okay, I mean, the protocol has been audited. It's on the Terra ecosystem. Most projects on the Terra ecosystem are pretty solid. Okay, so check it out. Now they do have. If you want to check the code, you can go on GitHub. They've got a Twitter account and a Telegram account. So if you want to ask them questions, probably a good thing to join their Telegram. If you're interested in their news, you can check their Twitter account. All right, so that's it for this project. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell to know when I'm publishing my next video, and download the free book. It's free. It explains crypto strategies in detail. 3 hours of videos about this also. Anyway, if you don't want to download it for free because you got money to burn, you can go on Amazon and give Jeff Bezos $5.99. And he's going to give me a check for $1 later. See ya.